Hello children, myself Ishwar Chand Balichwal welcomes all of you. Today we are continuing chapter 9 Algebraic Expression and Identities. Today we are learning multiplying a monomial by a binomial and then multiplying a monomial by a trinomial, that is a polynomial, okay? And then we learn addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. So watch this up to the end carefully, then you understand better and then you learn well, okay? So now we start multiplying a monomial by a binomial. Here, now we consider a monomial 3x and a binomial 5y plus 2. Here there are two terms, so this is binomial, here are one term, so this is monomial. For this we use distributive law. Why? We know that a into b plus c equals ab plus ac. This is the law of distributivity, okay? So we utilize this because consider like this is a and this is b and this is c. So how we get ab and ac? We get by multiplying this a to this b and this a to the c and just write, and this sign is here. So ab, that is a into b, and this ac, that is a into c, here is that. So this way we do the distributivity. So this distributive law we use for multiplying a monomial by a binomial. So 3x multiplying by 5y and then 3x multiplying by this 2 and there is the plus sign in between this. So by multiplying this we write the result. 3 5 is 15, x into y, that is xy. So 15xy is the result of this and 3 2 is 6. So 6x is the result of this. So this way we can multiply this, okay? And this is the distributive law. If we multiply 5y plus 2 into 3x by using commutative law, that is a into b equals b into a. Here in this the binomial is in after this and here the 3x is after this. So this is like that. Here we change the order. So this is the law of commutativity. So we use the commutative law and we can put this result because this and this is same. Similarly, this and this equals this and this. That is, feel that this is b plus c and this is a, and here this is a and this is b plus c, the one and the same thing. So we put this here. This is the law of commutativity. Now multiplying a monomial by a trinomial. This is the monomial, single term. This is the trinomial, that is there are three terms. So we using distributive law as we used before, okay, and perform this. So here this multiplying by this and this multiplying by this and this multiplying by this. So multiply and write down here, okay, 3p into 4p square, 3p into 5p, 3p into 7. Now solve. 3p into 4p, 3 into 4, 12, p and p square, p cube. 3 into 5, 15, and p into p square. 3 into 7, 21, and this p. So this is the result. So this way we can get the result of multiplying monomial by a trinomial. Now we consider an example. Simplify the expression and evaluate them as directed. This is the question. 3y into 2y minus 7 minus 3 into y minus 4 minus 63 for y equals to 2. We have to find the value also. So this is the solution. We multiply 3y to 2y. 3 2 is 6 and y into y square. Again 3 7 is 21 y here. Then minus is here 3 into y. 3y minus into minus plus 3 into 4 12. Then minus 63. Now we have to find the value for y equal to minus 2. First we solve this. 6y square here. 21 negative and 3 also negative. So they are adding 21 and 3, 24. So minus 24y. And then these are different sign. So they are subtracting. So we subtract 12 from 63. We get minus 51. Now for y equal to minus 2, we have found value. So put y equal to minus 2 in this. 6 here we put y equal to minus 2, so minus 2 square. Minus 24, y equal to minus 2. Minus 51. Now solve. 6 into the whole square of minus 2 is 4, because minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. And this minus and minus plus, so 24 into 2. And this minus 51. 6 4 is 24. 24 into 2, 48, and this 51 also. Now, first add these positive terms, we get 72, and then minus 51. Now subtracting them, we get 21. This way, we solve this type of question. This type of expression we solve. First we multiplying all terms separately, then according to sign, we add or subtract them and then put the value, then we get the result. Okay. Now next example, add 5m into 3 minus m and 6m square minus 13m. This is our first part, and the second part is 4y into 3y square plus 5y minus 7 and 2 into y cube minus 4y square plus 5. That is, this is monomial to binomial. This is monomial to trinomial. Okay. So we use these methods and solve them. First expression, 5m into 3 minus m. So by multiplying this 5m to this 3, 5 3 is 15. Okay, 5m into 3, and this is 5m into m. And this is the negative sign. 5 3 is 15m, and this is 5m square. So the result of the first expression is 15m minus 5m square. Now take second expression. Second expression already solved, so add second expression to it. So first expression is 15m minus 5m square plus 6m square minus 13m. 6m square minus 13m. Now add like terms, m square, m square. This is minus 5m, this is plus 6m square. So subtract them, we get the m square. This is 15m, this is minus 13m. So they are subtracting also. So 15 minus 13, that is 2, so 2m. This is the result. By adding these two expressions, we get the m square plus 2m. Okay. Now we solve second. First expression is this one, 4y, 3y square plus 5y minus 7. So multiply 4y into 3y square, 4y into 5y, 4y into minus 7. That is minus 4y into 7. Okay, so by solving we write here 4 3 are 12, y into y square, y cube. 4 5 are 20, y into y, y square. This minus sign, 4 7 are 28, y. So this is our result. Now solve second expression. This is our second expression. 2 into y cube, 2 into 4y square minus 8y square, 2 into 5, 10. So this is our second expression. Adding them. So first we write this first expression here, and then we place second expression according to suitable term. So now 2y cube is putting below the y cube, and this is minus 8y square, so it is below this y square, and then 10, so here 10 is here. So this way we add them. Now add 12y cube plus 2y cube, 14y cube, 20y square minus 8y square, so subtract them, so 12y square. This 28y minus 28y, this same to same, and this plus 10. So this is the result of addition of these expressions. Now we take next example. Subtract 3pq into p minus q from 2pq into p plus q. First we solve them. 3pq into p minus q, 3pq into p, 3p square q, and 3pq into this minus q is minus 3pq square, and this again 2pq into p, 2p square q, and 2pq into q, 2pq square. Okay, now these are the two expressions, so we have to subtract this from this. So first we write this 2p square q plus 2pq square, and then we write this below this 3p square q, 3pq square here with negative sign. Now change the sign, because we are subtracting this, so we have to change the sign. This is plus, so we put minus. This is minus, so we put plus. Now 2p square q and this minus 3p square q having different signs, so subtract them, and this is the bigger term, so the sign comes from this negative sign. So minus p square q is here, and both the terms are positive because this is positive and this is positive. So 3 plus 2, 5pq square. So this is our result. Okay. So learn this well and solve the exercise according to this. Okay. So solve 9.4 and 9.5. If you have any problem, then consult me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, this is your today's homework. So do it well. Have a nice day. Thanks.